In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable night mode in the SkyView app on your iPhone. If you love stargazing, night mode is an essential feature because it preserves your night vision by using a red-tinted interface. That means you can look up at the sky, glance down at your screen, and go right back without your eyes having to readjust. Start by opening the SkyView app on your iPhone. Give it a second to launch into the main star viewing screen. Once you're in, take a look toward the edges of the screen for the app's controls. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a toolbar with icons directly on the screen or a menu icon that looks like three horizontal lines. That menu icon is commonly found near the top or bottom corner. If the toolbar isn't visible, a gentle tap on the screen usually brings it up, which is helpful if the interface is faded out to keep your view uncluttered. Next, look for the night mode control. The icon you're after looks like a crescent moon. SkyView uses this universally recognized symbol to make it easy to spot. When you find the crescent moon, simply tap it to enable night mode. You should immediately notice the display shift to a subtle red hue. This change reduces harsh white and blue light, which is what helps your eyes stay adapted to the dark. If you're wondering why the app uses red, it's because red light affects your pupils less than other colors, allowing you to keep seeing faint stars while still using your phone as a guide. It's a small change that makes a big difference during nighttime observing sessions. A quick tip: many stargazers prefer to keep overall screen brightness lower while using night mode, which can make the experience even more comfortable. You might also find that keeping notifications to a minimum helps you stay focused on the sky. When you're done and want to go back to the standard interface, just tap the crescent moon icon again to turn night mode off. It toggles on and off with a single tap, so you can switch as needed without digging through any complicated settings. That's all there is to it. By opening SkyView, accessing the menu or toolbar, spotting the crescent moon, and tapping it, you're ready to enjoy the night sky without losing your dark adaptation. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next stargazing session with night mode enabled.